it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's so you can subscribe. The button is always down below. I post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a very late unboxing for BoxyCharm by Ipsy. This is my first time calling it that, and it feels very wrong. Like, it doesn't feel right. Nothing about this feels right. And this month, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. I will be doing a try on this month. I have tried a few of the products though, so I can tell you at least my thoughts on them. I'm doing this a little bit late. My uploads have been a little bit jumbled, and I'm gonna talk about that a little bit at the end of the video because I do have plans, because I have like at least 4 already filmed videos that I just haven't edited. They've been sitting on my camera for literally, I think, 2 to 3 weeks, and I'm like, Katie, what the heck? So I'm gonna talk about that at the end of the video because it will pertain to my upcoming uploads and stuff. But that's a side note. Let's talk about Ipsy and get into the unboxing. Okay, so this is this month's box. This is what it came in, and my box, I don't know what the heck is wrong with it, but after I opened it, it folded. What the heck is this, Ipsy? What the heck? The box is literally about to come undone. Not to mention, literally, this is all they give in it for protection. Like, oh, let's give you like pieces of paper just to make you feel like your box is protected. Like, what is this bullshit? Like, it is. And I know other people, I've seen other people complain about this in videos and stuff, saying like they're canceling just because they're like, what the heck? There's not even nothing. And also, what happened to the bags? Like, yes, I don't need like 1,000 different bags, but I'm also like, what the hell? Like, I get BoxyCharm was just a box, but like, why can't you literally give it your Ipsy spin? That's my thing. I'm a little bitter. I'm just feeling a little bitter about this. But if you're new to Ipsy, I do have a referral link down below. Everyone gets their own referral link when they are an Ipsy subscriber. So it's nothing special. It's nothing like affiliated or anything like that. I do believe I get points if you sign up through me, but like everyone gets that. So it doesn't matter whose link you use. That's just how it is. And yeah, so this is BoxyCharm by Ipsy. I believe it retails for $28 a month plus a like $1.99 shipping fee, which is new. They've only been doing that for the last, I don't know, like few months. I forget how long, like 6 months maybe, 4 to 6 months, I don't know. And we also got like a little like newspaper instead of getting like an actual like list of your products, which I'm not a huge fan of this. Like, I don't mind it. Like, the one they give you for the Blend Bag X, which is now called the Icon Box, which I actually just did my like personalization for the Icon Box, and it is worth it. So I can't wait for that video. That'll probably be coming in the next few weeks. But like, what is this? Like, the Icon Box, at least you get to see what you could have got in your box and also your item and also how to use it. But this is literally useless. You know, just saying. I'm a little better about this month's BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Okay, so the first thing I got in my box is this BFF Best Face Forward cleanser. I've never actually heard of this brand. This is what it looks like. I really like the packaging, if I'm being honest. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's best used in the morning and night and stuff. It's like a purifying cleanser. It has BHA, aloe vera, finger lime, green tea. I don't know. I really like this cleanser. I've only used it a couple of times, but I do really like it and stuff. I have like a few cleansers I'm using right now, but this one has to be, I don't know, it's kind of my favorite, and I'm gonna put this one in my shower. I like having a cleanser for my shower and then having one that I use like just on the normal and stuff. And I don't know. I did think I picked this item. I wasn't sure like what to pick, honestly. I remember the options for this month's like box weren't great. I don't know. I picked this, and I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm enjoying using it. So that's that, I guess. So the next thing, I also believe I picked this, is the YC Collection Eye Primer and stuff. I used this today for like before my eyeshadow and stuff, and this is what it looks like in the green packaging. It's not actually green. It actually is like a skin tone color, which is my favorite. It is just like the squeeze, which I don't mind. I love like the actual applicators just because you can apply it to your eyes. But this is fine too. I just put it on the back of my hand and like spread it out that way. But I really like that it is tinted just because it does like conceal your under eyes, which I typically put concealer on my eyes anyways, but I like this more and stuff. Like I do really like this, if that makes sense. Like it's really nice, and I'm glad I picked it because I have a Rare Beauty one, but I'm like kind of running out that, so I wanted like a backup just to go in between the two. So next, I believe this was picked for my box. I don't think I actually selected this myself. This is the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil in Original Translucent. This is what it looks like. Literally an OG product, I feel. Like my experience with Bare Minerals, and I think I did a video of this a long time ago, like a really long time ago. I think it was called My Makeup Story. If you ever want to like search for it on my channel, I believe I made it within my first like 2 years on YouTube. But my experience with Bare Minerals is my mom was very much into Bare Minerals. Like Bare Minerals is like literally for the longest time was like the only brand she used. She used the loose eyeshadows. She used this. She used this as her powder foundation. I don't know if it was exactly this one, but the Mineral Veil I know she definitely had. Like she used everything for the most part from Bare Minerals and stuff. But so like I was introduced to Bare Minerals when I first started wearing makeup, which my makeup experience, which obviously check out that video if you want to know more about that, because it actually is funny and I could honestly talk about it again. But like Bare Minerals was one of the first brands I ended up using. Like I remember using their Mineral Veil, like if I ever had like something going on in my skin, even when I was like 13, 14, my mom would just put a little bit of this on my skin and stuff, and I've used this a couple times recently to test it. I just spilled some on the floor. Good job, Katie. But that's what it looks like and stuff. I've only used it a few times recently. It is kind of messy because it like all comes out of the sifter, but it is like, I like the color because it is like a nice like brightening color, and I mostly wear powder under my eyes. I have like a pressed powder I like for my face, but I mostly use it like under my eyes. So this is kind of like nice for that, and it's been a very interesting like trying this again. Okay, so the last two products I am very excited about. So this one is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I think I might have chose this. This is in Lemon Lava. This is like the Gloss Bomb Heat, so it's a little bit plumping, but honestly, like the first time I used this, I couldn't honestly tell. This is what it looks like though. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. Like I love it so friggin' much. I love the packaging. It's just so pretty. I'm actually gonna put a little bit on right now just because I don't really have anything on. I love the gloss. Like I love the color. It's basically clear with a little bit of like a yellow. It looks like yellow reflex, but it's so like natural looking. Like I do very light makeup for work, and I wore this to work the other day, and it literally just felt very nice on the lips, and it also just gave me like that glossy look, but like just looking very plump and hydrated, which I love. I absolutely am obsessed with this gloss. It's just so pretty. Like it's definitely more like a clear gloss, but I love it. And honestly, you can't feel the tingle right away. It does take a little bit, at least I think, in my opinion, but it's so nice. Like I am absolutely obsessed. And then lastly for my box, I got the Natasha Denona Aloe palette, Alloy, A-L-L-O-Y palette, which I haven't used this yet, but I'm so excited. So this is one of their 5-pan palettes. That's what it looks like. We have a gold. Maybe I'll just swatch all of them. We have like this mid-toned, almost like reddish brown. We have like this lighter, I don't know, crease color. We have a deep brown, and then we have like this silvery shade, like a silvery bronze. That's what those shadows look like. So they're definitely beautiful. Like, look at those. Look at those. It doesn't get better than that. And I think I might have also selected this for myself. I can't honestly remember. But, oh, they look so beautiful. I love this little 5-pan palette and I can't wait to use it. Like, the colors are just so gorgeous. Like, I don't even think the camera is doing it justice. Like, can you really tell? I'm not sure. But I'm obsessed. I really, really like it. It's so nice. But I really love this palette and I actually can't wait to try this out. Maybe I'll do like a TikTok or a reel on like me actually doing a look with that and stuff. But I don't know. I feel very iffy about this box. Also, I was supposed to get this Saturday Skin. Let me see if I can pull it up. Like, I did an add-on for the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. I'll insert a picture of it, but I was supposed to get that in my box. I did add it on, but they had to, like, they didn't give it to me in my box, and they did let me know ahead of time, so at least they did do that. So thanks Ipsy for that stuff. And because like they just ran out, they had like low stock, which I didn't know when I ordered, and I felt like I did my selections very early, so I guess everyone just wanted this, and I was a little disappointed just because, you know, it's a good price. I love, like, you know, getting add-ons because it's a good price. It's usually like you can get full-size things even if they're expensive. Like, I've gotten Sunday Riley things for like $17 because you can literally get things for just a discounted rate adding them onto your box. And I don't always do add-ons, but I like doing add-ons. And I was a little disappointing, but they did give me 1,800 points, which honestly their point store sucks. I was hoping with BoxyCharm coming over, they would kind of like fix that and honestly add more things than trying to push their own products. Like, they have their own shape line, they have their own moisturizers, they have their own headbands, like whatever. I honestly don't care. Like, they have their own things. Honestly, I wasn't impressed. So this is how I'm feeling about this box. I am very excited about to use this palette. I like the lip gloss. I like my moisturizer. I liked all the products I got. I could take it or leave it with the Bare Minerals just because honestly I have so many freaking powders right now, and honestly that one's not, like, it's good, but it's not like holy grail. It'll definitely be something that'll end up in a project pan eventually. But I'm happy with this box minus the like the packing and that kind of stuff. Like, that was kind of disappointing. Like, I was not a fan. I really wasn't. It wasn't the vibe. It just wasn't and stuff. So I'm not really happy about that, but I am happy with the contents in my bag. And next month will be the icon box, which I did, like I said, I just personalized that today, and I'm very, very excited about that box. I have a really good box coming, and I think I might do a try on next month. We'll kind of see what I end up doing. Let me know if you like sit down actual, like, you know, just me talking about the box videos, or if you like me testing them out. I like filming both. This is a little bit quicker. Sometimes when I do the try-ons, it can be like a 40-50 hour like filming video for me, but I can condense it down. But let me know what you prefer. Be sure to let me know. I'd love to hear about it and stuff. But yeah, that's me it for my Ipsy unboxing for April. A little bit late in May, but that's okay. And a lot of my project pans have been sitting on literally on my memory card for weeks, and I kind of want to talk about this before I end this video. But I have quite a few of my project pans filmed on my camera. So what I'm planning on doing is, since like a lot of the updates, like I know for like Partners in Cream, the update is literally coming up in like a few days. So what I'm planning on doing is just uploading those videos on like the next month, and considering that like a 2-month update rather than a 1-month update, because I really haven't made progress on a lot of things and stuff, and I think that's what I'm planning on doing. And then like in a couple weeks I'll be like more on track, rather than like posting like updates and then like having to get back on track. I just feel like I'm digging myself deeper in a hole. So we'll we'll kind of see how that goes and stuff, but I think that's my plan, and then I'm hoping to get back on track. I have been talking about this for months, but I really need to do my makeup inventory. I think after this video I'm going to sit down and do that, or not necessarily film it today, but at least get my numbers straight and stuff, because this is getting a little insane. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you did, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box and how you feel about the merge between Ipsy and BoxyCharm. I'd love to hear about that. And be sure to subscribe if you have already. I post lots of beauty, panning, lifestyle. Haven't done that in a bit, but I do it. So be sure to subscribe and follow me on my socials. I'm very active on there, actually, or at least pretty active. At least I try to be. So be sure to follow me over there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.